Daewoo Puma 10HC. Machine has a FANUC 0T control, 10-inch chuck, parts catcher, tailstop, chip conveyor, and a tool eye. We got to show the tool setter first.
We're going to show the parts catcher first.
Alright, there we go, parts catcher.
There's the tool eye.
Alright,
see?
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Alright, now we're going to do the spindle.
.500 RPM. 1,000. 1,500. 2,000. And that's 2,500.
All right.
Good job.
The turret.
Top the axes, Z first.
It's a tow-along type tailstock, correct? Correct. Okay, that's it. That's a wrap.